My name's John Byrne and I got involved today because Owen and Karen dropped me an email, invited me to come along and speak about the Association of Arte Util. The aim of my practice is to develop networks by which more people can use art as a means to rethink themselves otherwise and to use art as forms of ground-up activism for social change. I think one of the biggest challenges that artists face in doing that is finding ways of actually affecting and helping to make that change happen. If we need to really imagine and reimagine what art is rather than what it is now and used to be, then artists really need to involve themselves in that change, but that would necessitate them thinking themselves differently on what they do. For the future, I'd really like to see more artists working with institutions like museums and galleries in a way that was opening up those museums and galleries and making them much more porous. They become sites of social activism and change where people use art from all kinds of different backgrounds to rethink politics from the periphery and help to affect change in the centre. My advice to artists who are starting out would be to open themselves up to thinking of working in different ways and to question some of the more deeply held and cherished notions about authorship and artistic authenticity and their role within making art that was a symbolic gesture, and instead allow themselves to think of how they can become constituents and to activate change.